beauty, an eternal pursuit across all cultures. To help people protect and enhance their natural beauty, more and more personal care products are brought to the market, creating significant increase in demand for the personal care packaging industry. Somwang aspires to become the most comprehensive packaging solution provider in the integrated packaging field. In order to realize this dream, we are always customer-oriented, completely focused on providing customer satisfaction. Today, Somewang has grown into a complete package solution provider, integrating proprietary design, production, and sales. Our products comprise plastic containers, blow-molded PET PE bottles, injection-molded PP cream bottles and accessories, sprayer pump, as well as tube packaging products. We proudly deliver beauty to millions of customers. We have set up a fully professional production base, injection molding, sprayer and pump assembly, tube production, all our products are produced in our own factories, thus allowing us to guarantee our delivery times. At the same time, we focus on continuous improvement of quality. We have set in place a rigorous on-site production quality control process and 5 steps in process control to constantly monitor and assure our delivery quality. Using high-quality products, we offer an entirely reliable experience to our customers and consumers. If quality is the basis of corporate development, design and innovation are the key to the industry's future. We always consider matters from our customers' perspective. Through our dedicated development and design team, we provide all kinds of professional ODM and OEM customization services for different product requirements. We not only help customers shorten the development cycle, but can also significantly reduce development costs. We can offer free design, 3D model manufacturing, and other services. And we work with customers and all links in the supply chain to provide more options. Since the birth of Somwang, we have put the customer first, providing customers with risk-free services. We have credit insurance from CITIC Insurance and Alibaba as a zero-risk partner. Thanks to our increasing brand value and global strategy, our products have been exported to more than 100 countries around the world. We have established long-term partnerships with many global brand names, such as L'Oreal, Nivea, CVS, Walmart, and Avon. Today, you can see our products in supermarkets and pharmacies across Europe and the United States.
I come from a healthcare company in Lithuania, and we have worked with Somewang for the past 3 years. And I must say, at the very beginning of our cooperation, we were a little cautious about working with a Chinese company, but the speed of response which Somewang has provided us has been amazing, and their designers are very, very great as well. So we are hoping that we will have more cooperations in the future.
We are a UK-based producer of health and beauty products. We feel very fortunate to have found Somwang as our Chinese producer of custom-made plastic goods. The product quality has always been extremely good. The company is very, very responsive to our design requests. And perhaps best of all, it's been very easy to work with Somewang. Communication is very straightforward, very friendly, and they're always ready to listen. I would recommend working with Somewang to anyone looking for a supplier of plastic products.
We listen carefully to every customer. We strive for perfection in every detail. We provide every consumer with a pleasant experience of beauty. We offer every partner the best solution. We are Somewang Packaging. We made packaging easy.